Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Today's vlog, I'm going to show you my recipe, which is a cabbage patties mixed with cheese, sausage, sweet corn, and paprika. So stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, I hope you like this recipe and give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to share and subscribe to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bye-bye. Bon appetit! This is now our cabbage patties with cheese and sausages. Hello everyone, you're watching Leytenia'S Kitchenette. I have here a cabbage, and eggs, sweet corn, onions, paprika, cheese, and I have here a sliced sausage, and I have here the seasoning, the chicken bouillon, tomato powder, the garlic powder, the paprika powder, and black pepper, and I have here the flour. So we're going to mix all here in this bowl. I have here a bowl here. So we will mix all the ingredients together, okay? And we will cook this one. We will fry it as patties. This is the cheese. So we will add this 1 tablespoon of Maggi, and I have tomato powder, the garlic powder, the black pepper, the paprika powder, the black pepper, and here is the eggs. We will add some flour. So this is now our mixture, guys, and we're going to fry this one as a patties, okay? So guys, this hot oil, and this one we're going to fry now. This patties. So guys, this is now our patties, cabbage patties with sausage and cheese and sweet corn. Bon appetit! This is now our cabbage patties with cheese and sausages. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao!